eras, two cultures, one wedding but celebrated twice. In Udaipur, actors Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna are not just getting married, they are making a powerful statement about identity, respect and modern Indian love. Because this is not one ceremony, it is two. A traditional Telugu wedding in the morning and a Kodava wedding in the evening, each honoring the roots they come from. And in that choice lies a beautiful story. The celebrations began with Telugu rituals, a tradition known for its Vedic precision, symbolism and spiritual depth. In Telugu weddings, nothing is random. Every moment is timed according to astrology. Every chant is guided by ancient scripture. Every ritual has meaning. The sacred fire becomes the divine witness. From Kanyadan, where the bride's parents entrust their daughter to a new journey, to Jillakara Belam, where cumin and jaggery are placed on each other's heads, symbolizing inseparability, to the most emotional moment, the tying of the Mangal Sutra. And then the Saptapadi, 7 steps, 7 vows, 7 promises for a lifetime. Rice shard over each other for prosperity, silk saris, gold jewelry, banana leaf feasts. It is grandeur but deeply spiritual. And then comes the Kodava wedding. From the hills of Kodagu in the Karnataka, a tradition that is completely different in form yet equally powerful in meaning. Because here there is no priest, the rituals are led by elders of the family and community. No sacred fire. Instead, a sacred lamp and prayers to ancestors. This is a wedding that celebrates clan, courage and community. The groom performs Bale Birud, symbolically cutting banana stems, a gesture of protection and valor. A pouch of coins is tied to the bride's sari, a promise of shared wealth. The Pathak ceremony, where a gold coin necklace is tied, marks her new marital identity. The groom wears the iconic kupya with a sash and dagger, a reminder of the Kodava warrior legacy. The bride drapes her sari in the distinctive Kodava style, pleats at the back. The feast is bold, celebratory and non-vegetarian. Music, laughter and community participation take center stage. It is less about ritual perfection and more about collective joy. And yet, despite their striking differences, these two weddings share the same soul. In both, family is the center. Elders leave the blessings, rice becomes a symbol of prosperity, heirloom jewelry marks marital status, silk attire celebrates the occasion. Because at their core, both traditions are not about two individuals, they are about two families, two histories, two lineages coming together. What Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna have done is deeply symbolic of modern India. Today's marriages are no longer about choosing one identity over another, they are about celebrating both. Not merging cultures but letting them stand side by side with equal pride. It is a reminder that love does not erase where you come from, it honors it. So this wedding in Udaipur is not just about star power or celebrity celebrations, it is about something far more meaningful. A Telugu sacred fire, a Kodava ancestral lamp, true traditions, one promise, and a promise for new generation that the most beautiful unions are the ones where both stories are told. Because when two people marry, they don't just share a future, they bring their past with them. On this day, that past is being celebrated ritual by ritual.